Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's gonna be super quick. It's gonna be a quick video. It's gonna be about making thumbnails, right, for like your YouTube videos. I have some friends out there that are also starting on YouTube, and they're like they just need help, especially on making like thumbnails and like trying to promote your YouTube more. So I'm gonna make this real quick YouTube video on what I use. Alright, so I use Canva. You can also use Snappa. Snappa is really good also, but I really enjoyed using Canva. So we're going to do that. So here's one of my recent ones. If you've already watched this video, it's pretty simple to use. So I'll provide the link in the description below. But this is going to be the home page. Just create an account. Super easy. And the nice thing about this stuff for me is all you have to do is type in YouTube and you get channel art, display ad, YouTube icon, and then thumbnail, and look right here, it gives you the actual like size, right? So it's pretty nice. So we click on that. I don't have the paid version, but I recommend getting it if you guys are really into that, because they have some really good ideas, and you can just look at them, to be honest, and just see some really good ideas. Anyways, we'll make a quick one, right? Super simple. Gives you the size right there, so you don't gotta do a whole lot. You get a background, right? There's some really good ones, so we can do like a blue maybe. Yeah, boom, super easy. This is what I like. It's super simple, super easy. It's fast. Yeah, I just enjoy it. You can upload from your files and whatever. Let's say I wanted to make a DaVinci Resolve one. Super easy to slide in. Put it up here, put it down here, whatever you want. Texting. Also, let's go back real quick. You can do videos. I haven't and audio, but you can do all that stuff. You can record yourself also. You can also undo. So see, it just moves it up, and then you can do it again and get rid of it. All that good trash, right? Texting, I mean, putting some text in. You can use a header. Super easy. It can be like YearlySmiles. Boom. Bear with me. I just kind of woke up, but I needed to get this out. So, anyways, oh yeah, also changing the color. This is a pretty bland tutorial, but like it's helped me a lot, and I feel like it'll help you guys if you guys are trying to get into that, because thumbnails are one of your life sources in YouTube. You got to be able to track your viewers. So, anyways, you can do all sorts of stuff like animation. You can like type in like animation. There's all sorts of stuff that you can do. It's just a quick one, super simple, not detailed. I'm just trying to give some advice to some of my friends. You can also drag stuff in here. It's just I really enjoyed it, and I really do enjoy it, and I'm gonna probably continue to use this until something better comes out. But right now, this is really good. I very much enjoy this. So that's about it, guys. I'll leave the description and the link in the description below, so you guys can like check it out. And thanks. We see you guys next time.